Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Have you ever been betrayed? Ang sakit po nun, di ba? Pero may mas masakit po doon. Yung i-betray ka ng iyong kaibigan, kapamilya, mahal sa buhay, kabiyak ng puso, o basta yung tao na talagang pinahalagahan mo at close sa'yo. Kasi kung kaaway naman natin at hindi naman close yung nang-betray sa atin, okay, sige lang. Pero yun yung mas mahirap, mas masakit, mas mapait, at mas nakadudurog ng puso. Hindi po ba? Kapag malapit sa'yo, yung taong nang-traidor sa'yo. My dear friends, today is Holy Wednesday, and our gospel recounts the betrayal of Jesus by Judas Iscariot. Isang apostol na itinuring ni Jesus bilang kanyang kapatid, kaibigan, at kapamilya. And you see, it takes place just before the Last Supper and centers on Judas agreeing to hand Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. It is also followed by Jesus announcing during the meal, "Oh, one of you will betray me." Alam niyo po, ito yung nais kong pagnilayan natin ngayong umaga. The love even for a betrayer. The love even for a betrayer. Naisip niyo din po ba? Jesus knows that Judas will betray him, and yet he still shares the meal with him. Grabe, di ba? Alam mo na ngang ipagkakanulo, ibebenta, at ipagtatraidoran ka, and yet pinakain mo pa, nilapit mo pa sa iyo, at hindi mo itinuring na iba. And that's why this is very important for us in this Holy Week. Yun pong God's unfailing mercy and patience to us. Kasi Jesus continues to reach out to Judas even in the final moments. At alam nating si Judas po yung sumuko sa bandang huli. He gave up. He was desperate. He succumbed to despair. And isn't it that many times we are also like that? We easily lose heart. We become afraid. At pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob. Pero heto ang Diyos, walang sawa at walang pagod na umaasa at nagtitiwala sa atin na magbabago tayo at babalik tayo sa Kanya. And so, dear friends, this Holy and Spy Wednesday, let us remember God's unfailing mercy and patience for all of us. Even if we become traitors, even if we become betrayers, even if we become modern-day Judases, we are assured of Jesus' sacrifice on the cross, of His love. Amen.